welcome back to another riveting episode of Buying Items Based Off Reviews, but this time from Amazon. Ow! She's so uncompetitive. Her finger literally hit it first. She's like, oh, Jackie, you can have it.
What?
I would never.
Oh my ugly god.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
I'm gonna throw up. Hello and welcome to Clevver Style.
And welcome back to another riveting episode of Buying Items Based Off Reviews. But this time, there's a little special twist to it. We're only reading reviews from Amazon. And you know what, Madeline? You're new to this series. I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite shows on Clevver Style.
The reviews,
They trick you.
Yes.
They trick you. What did her review say? Doesn't look cheap at all. Was she looking at the number amount or was she looking at the quality of the purse?
This is I'm sorry.
And Drew needs her puka shells.
I'm sorry.
But how it works is there's going to be 10 reviews, right? So 10 different items that Bridget has found off of Amazon. Okay. And she's going to read each and every review one by one, and we have to pick if we want to pick that item based off of the review.
Right.
Hit the buzzer if you want it. Whoever hits 4 first, the game is over.
Oh my god.
After that, we're going to unbox all of the items that we picked, and then also all the items that we didn't pick, which is my least favorite part because normally the items that I don't pick are the best ones. Are you kidding me? If episode over? I think the next step is to bring in our game master, Bridget, to read these reviews.
All right, ladies, are we ready to hear our first review?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Review. Say it nicely.
Number 1.
Okay.
Fun in the bedroom is the opening line. Slightly uncomfortable after long periods wearing it, but very cute and fun.
This makes me think like lingerie.
Uncomfortable after a while.
Like lingerie, like where the strings go up your hoo-ha kind of for a long time.
Ooh, you know, I don't know. It's very tempting, but at the same time, I'm like,
I'm gonna pass personally.
I'm gonna pass too.
Okay.
Wow. I'm
All right.
passing.
Bunch of prudes.
Passing on review number 1. On to review number 2. The title is The Quality of the Product. The review, excellent. 100% recommend.
I'll just take a chance.
Wow.
All right.
Everybody, welcome Madeline to the game.
Yes,
Ladies and
yes.
gentlemen.
I'm on the board.
Wow. What is calling your name?
When someone's 100% about something, I want to trust you.
All right, so now we have Mads with 1, Jackie with 0, but guys, we're still only on review number 3. We got a long way to go.
We have so many other
Way to go. The title of this review is called Rich Stars over the eyes, so you can't even tell what word it is.
Oh, wow.
Okay, the review. These are deaf attraction grabbers. My friend had a rich theme party, and these were so appropriate, paired very well with my money print bodysuit.
Hell.
I wasn't even at the party for 60 seconds before people started asking me about them. I wasn't a hater. I gave the link to buy. They couldn't believe I got them from Amazon.
Okay, money sunglasses or like chain
It's
money
too much.
necklaces.
It's too much.
Yeah.
Okay,
No.
passing on 3.
Wow, this is the most I've ever passed.
Honestly, she usually has at least 3 by now.
I am a changed woman.
Love that journey for me.
Moving on to review number 4.
Okay.
The title is So Cute. This is so cute. I ordered a medium and probably should have got a large. The product is adjustable, but if you have a large chest, I'd go up to a large. There is no way this product will be too big on you because you can adjust it by the strings.
I don't feel this one either. This is
Chest
so
and
weird for me.
strings?
It feels like very much like a top type of a situation and it's just not calling my name.
Could it be a puffer?
It's definitely not a puffer, Madeline,
Could
okay?
it be...
Passing, not feeling it.
I'm gonna pass.
Okay,
gonna
passing on number 4.
Okay.
Okay, number 5. The title is Great Price, Great Quality. I got the all black ones and I absolutely love them. They are half the price of the Oh!
You can get it. You can get it.
Do you want me to read the rest
You
of the
can't
review?
do that. She's so uncompetitive. She's like, her finger literally hit it first. She's like, oh, Jackie, you can have it. Meanwhile, it was me. He's like, that's mine.
All right, I'm going to read the rest of the review.
I'm going to have one.
I got the all black ones and I absolutely love them. They are half the price of the ones I almost bought, and you can tell they are authentic by the engravement.
Oh.
I think I'm going to order another pair.
I low-key hate it. Love it
Whatever
for
that
you.
is.
So
Sure.
Madeline has 2,
Okay.
and Jackie is not on the board yet.
Wow.
Okay, review number 6. The title is Many Uses.
Many uses.
All right, I'm going to read the review.
Okay, sorry.
I bought these to wear when there is not enough light for my knitting. Perfect. They are thin and secure. They adjust to fit any size. Probably great for fishing too. Ha ha ha.
It's probably a
Ha
headlamp.
ha ha! She's laughing at me already. What for fishing? What is that?
Knitting.
No, she said knitting and then fishing.
And fishing.
Oh,
both.
see? Many uses.
Okay.
All right, now Jackie is on the board with 1, and
Wow.
Matt has 2, and we are on review number 7. The title: Y'all better butt them before I do.
Buy them.
Yes, she said but. I know that the is ratchet, but I.
Ratchet?
You had me at butt.
You
and
had me
ratchet.
at butt and ratchet. That was on purpose. That was not a misspelling.
I love
She
it.
did it on purpose.
She was typing in such a hurry. She loved it so much. She was like,
she
typos.
had to get it up there, and this
Yeah.
is okay. Let me
Okay.
read the rest. But
It's
by
bad.
this, damn, it's worth UT. The conversation will be endless. I've purchased several colors, and they're amazing.
She don't even. What is she talking about?
Could be shoes.
I can't tell you that.
UT. She said
Yeah,
like
it's
too
worth-
many weird
it's
words.
Worth UT.
It's worth
Worth it.
worth it.
Oh,
probably worth
it's
it.
worth it.
I'm
The
decoding.
next game is deciphering Amazon review.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
2 and 2.
Yep,
Okay.
everyone has 2, and we have 3 reviews left. Review number 8.
Okay.
Title: Love this. It's super bright. I mean, if you want to be the center of attention, then go for it. It honestly is the coolest purchase I've made in a long time, and it has
That's good.
like 100 settings or something crazy like that. Get
Oh,
it?
that's cool.
Settings? What in the hell am I picking?
Center of attention and settings. I was thinking something on your body.
I just honestly, when it said bright, because I like bright colors, that's what initially drew me in. But then when
Yeah.
she said settings, what the hell?
Hey, sounds great.
Ah.
All right, well, Jackie now has 3, and
Oh
Matt
my
has
God.
2. We have 2 more reviews
Okay.
left. Review number 9. Best I found, ... anywhere.
Had to.
Okay, I'll read the review.
Sorry. Yeah.
The only way to describe the feel of these is that they're like wearing nothing at all. When I opened the package and felt the material, I couldn't believe how thin and soft they are. They're actually like an additional layer of skin. That's how soft that they feel.
I love it.
I threw them in the washer and then in the dryer because they can't live in my home if they have to be coddled and hand washed. They came out beautifully. The quality is amazing, and I think the cotton insert is really important and appreciated.
Who has the
It
time?
doesn't show at all. It's the same color, thin, blends right in. I ordered these in medium, and they fit perfectly. Hubby loves them too. LOL.
LOL.
LOL. Is it underwear cotton insert?
Is that where you're at? I'm at like, girl, who has the time? Sounds like underwear, Spanx.
Oh no, but you're putting it on. I was gonna say it could be like duvet cover. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we're still at a tie of 3.
Okay.
1 review left.
Interesting.
So anybody could take it home. Okay, review number 10. Cute and functional.
We both knew.
All right, let me read it.
Okay, I had to bring my personality.
She's learned some to self-control.
Some control, but not all.
Okay, here's the review. Super comfy and love that it zips up to cover your entire neck. It is slightly short and not very flattering. However, that is the style I was expecting.
You know,
Zips up your entire neck.
just,
Not
I
flattering.
feel claustrophobic already.
Could be a
not
puffer.
flattering at all.
Be a puffer.
But it's the style she was expecting.
That's probably a puffer because they're like marshmallowy.
Oh my god, if it's a puffer, I'll give it to you.
Okay, cool.
Damn right.
Okay, we are here for my first unboxing. I'm so excited. So if you guys remember, I was the first to hit the buzzer. Big day for me.
It was.
My review reads excellent, 100% recommend. So
It could be anything.
literally,
Oh!
Tiffany
Ever
vibes.
Faith.
ever fave.
It's a cross.
Oh my ugly god.
No, oh my fucking god.
The woman was too stunned to speak. What is this? This is awful. It's a lion ring. It's super chunky.
I'm sorry.
Okay, next.
The next review says many uses. I bought these to wear when there's Not enough light. Oh God, not this one. Not enough light for my knitting. Perfect. They are thin and secure. They adjust to fit any size. Probably great for fishing too. I'm assuming they're like glasses with some lights on them or
Dude,
something.
I'm actually jealous. Like
I don't know what it is.
I would get use out of this.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
What?
This is something that I did not expect. They're gloves with lights on them. Wait a minute. This is actually low-key kind of cool.
Wait, I didn't know this existed.
Wait, things that you can use while you're knitting, things you can use while you're fishing. There are little gloves with lights on them. This is dope.
Okay, these are sick.
I feel like this is the perfect thing for anybody that's handy, right?
Yeah.
You're doing something around your house and it's late at night, you go into your garage, you need these gloves. You're running and you want some lights and you don't want to get ran over, you need these gloves. Like she said, she's fishing, probably maybe later in the day. You use these gloves. Knitting. It's the perfect
Eating.
thing.
I picture this being worn by people going to raves and they're like, all right guys, mine was great price, great quality. That's great. I got the all black ones and I absolutely love them. They are half the price of the ones I almost bought at blank, and you can tell they are authentic by the engraved blank. I think I'm gonna order another.
Ew.
Wait, you're gonna be so jealous.
No!
I'm so mad.
Why?
Unless they're ugly.
That's Ray-Bans.
They're Ray-Bans. Okay, but these
They
could
better
be,
not be cute. They better not be cute.
I don't know. Okay, I
They
actually
better not
do
be
think
cute.
they're really cute. Guys, am I cute? Tell me.
Wow.
Am I Megan Fox?
Oh wow, this is the one that I didn't necessarily think was a good pick, but it just stole me with the personality of
Yes,
the review.
the ratchet.
Y'all better butt them before I do. She meant y'all better buy them before I do. I know that these blank is ratchet, but buy this damn blank. It's worth UT. Worth it. Root. It's worth it. The conversations will be endless. I purchased several colors and they're amazing.
Okay, so she went back for more.
Yeah, she said it's ratchet.
And it's gonna be a
So
conversation
it's
starter.
ratchet.
Wait,
So that means it's like, it's
what?
ratchet.
What is What is that?
It's ratchet.
What in the yellow brick road? What?
I would never.
Give us back over here.
Stop. It's a gas tank and it said bad bitch fuel. Yo.
Wait.
Yo.
This is so fun.
Does that say on top?
Super
Bad bitch fuel.
BRB. Call you later. Oh, anyone need a filler up? I got you.
That's so funny.
Hey, it is a good conversation starter.
it really
the fact
is.
that it comes in more colors.
No, I could never. I could never.
I like it.
Review number 8 said, it's super bright. I mean, if you want to be the center of attention, I don't want to be the center of attention anymore. The center of attention for me is bad. Then go for it. It honestly is the coolest purchase I've ever made in a long time, and it has like 100 settings or something.
Oh my god, you have to open
Crazy
this.
like
I
that.
need to know what
Get
this
it.
is. Oh my god, what? What in the Sasquatch? What?
I see rainbow, I see sparkles, I see fur and feather. You know what? I'm also seeing, wait.
Settings?
Oh my goodness. Ready?
Oh my freaking gosh.
Ooh, somebody put on some good music.
The boa is changing colors right now. I'm your backup dancer.
This is fun.
It's a lot.
It's
Subtle. Though.
a lot, but also is it a lot?
No, it's
and
not
then,
enough now. I need
you
more.
know-
Is it reversible for real?
It's not, but it can be. Like, you know,
No,
it's
that is-
Christmas.
look at it,
And
it's
then it's all of a
reversing.
sudden 70s.
This is fun.
Is it?
This is
How do I
fun.
look?
You look
Never looked better?
gorgeous. Never looked better.
Wonderful. Isn't it a vibe?
This one was from Deborah. It was
That's
like
a long
Yes.
review.
It was the 5-paragraph essay. I'll really just highlight the main points. Best she has found anywhere.
Lies.
Only way to describe the feeling of these is that it's like wearing nothing at all. When she felt the material, she couldn't believe how thin and soft they were. It's like an additional layer of skin. I threw them in the washer and dryer because they can't live in my home if they need to be cuddled and hand washed. Came out beautifully. Quality's amazing. Ordered a medium. Hubby loves them too. There was
Better
more,
be
but
amazing. It's gotta be.
let's see. Oh,
Okay, I'm digging it.
ooh, fashion. Is it underwear? It says fashion.
Oh, okay, I'm digging it. It's like,
It's like a little skim
hell yeah,
thong
these are my
underwear.
favorite type of underwear to wear because it truly does feel like you're not wearing
Seamless.
anything.
Wow.
Yeah, this is great.
Who
I
knew that
love
Amazon
this.
had something like
Wow,
this?
and they're all different colors too.
Wait, this is awesome. This is something I would absolutely go out of my way to buy. I love just getting a new refresh of underwear, so...
You wear one Monday through Monday
Yeah.
of next week.
Oh my god, I could do that.
You can.
I'm into this one. Thanks for that long review, Deborah.
This is kind of heavy. Very excited. This is the very last thing that we picked. I picked number 10. Super comfy and love that it sits up to cover your entire
right.
neck. I forgot it was this review.
Yes.
It is slightly short and not very flattering. However, that is the style I was expecting. She expected something that wasn't flattering. Interesting.
Okay.
Very curious to what this could be.
Short neck
Sits up
zipping.
to the neck, not flattering.
I don't know.
It's a puffer! Oh my
gonna
gosh.
throw up.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my gosh. This
Open
is
it!
in this episode for
Take
you.
it out of the box!
Oh, but how do you feel about it? Okay, so they were expecting. See, that's so fun.
I love it. I love it. Wait a minute.
How did you not pick it?
Oh my god.
It's so funny that it said that it's not supposed to be flattering.
I'm trying. This is
She's
my round.
taking over my
This is
pick.
my round.
Oh, it's so cute on you. Madeline is obsessed with puffer jackets, and I think it's hysterical that I happened to pick the one thing that was a puffer, but this looks so good on
I know,
you.
that's so weird that, like, now it's mine.
Oh,
That's
is
so
it?
awkward for you.
Is it? Should I give it to her? Should I give it to her, you guys?
If it's a puffer, I'll give it to you. Okay, go on.
Yeah, you're right. I should just keep it.
Okay, so now we are opening up the items that we did not pick. We skipped the very first review.
Yep.
So the very first review says, slightly uncomfortable after long periods wearing it, but very cute and fun. Like, what the heck could that be?
The person who wrote its name is King Dingus. So, this person has fun in the bedroom at least. Oh. Oh no.
Oh.
no.
You know what? For and giggles, let me go ahead and just put this on.
This
Just
is a
pretend some.
thong with a palm ass.
Yeah,
Imagine you wear it all night, like under your dress. Oh my god. Wait, I was gonna say, I'm worried about where this
okay.
is going. Oh no. Okay.
sexy.
Show me your little tail. Ooh. Happy Easter.
Oh my god.
Wow.
This is awkward. Yeah, how does it look?
Sexy, for sure.
Sexy?
Yeah.
Number 3, I'll let you open this
Okay.
one.
Rich these are deaf attention grabbers. My friend had a rich bitch themed party, and these were so appropriately paired with my money print bodysuit. I wasn't even at the party for 60 seconds before people started asking about them.
Whoa.
I wasn't a hater. I gave the link to buy. They couldn't believe I got them from
I
Amazon.
forgot about this one.
Yeah.
I'm so intrigued.
Oh, we knew
Oh,
it.
cute!
We knew-
Okay, they're not bad. Listen,
Our
listen.
threshold is so low right now.
Listen, okay.
Wow.
I had envisioned something just over the top crazy. These are obviously like over the top still, but they're not as crazy as I thought. This is our last item that we did not pick.
Okay.
Okay, last review. This blank is so cute. I ordered a medium and probably should have gotten a large. This product is adjustable, but if you have a large chest, I'd go up to a large. There's no way this product will be too big on you because you can adjust the strings. I feel like I'm gonna like this.
Why do I feel like it's a raincoat?
I still
don't
feel
know
like it's like a
why.
top or something.
Oh.
You know what? Where are we going in this episode? It's like a rave, it's like a dance party, it's disco.
Wait, there's more.
Oh.
Oh, it's a two-piece.
Oh my god, we could be matching.
Oh, God.
We should put it on and
Is
say
this-
goodbye.
Is this a bathing suit?
Oh, that's the bottom.
It's a what? Oh, it's a rave costume to wear with your vest.
My jacket, the ring, the earrings. It's all coming together. What's size? A medium. Jeez Louise. This is really cute. I'm not mad about it.
What a day.
Wow, what an adventure.
I feel open to an entirely new side of Amazon that I didn't even know existed before.
You know?
Can you believe all these crazy, wacky things on Amazon, these reviews? Do you think they lined up? How did we do? Do you think who are you more jealous of? Whose items do you want more of?
That's a good question.
Everything we got today, because we know you want it, will be linked in the description below.